Welcome, today we're going to show you how to recover a hacked Telegram account. So, if you got hacked in Telegram and you want to recover your account, this is how you actually recover it. First, you need to open any browser as see from here. Even if you are on Android and iPhone, it will be the same steps. After that, you need to search for Telegram support. Hit on enter, and now open this link. So, from here, you need to actually write this. You need to tell them that your account is hacked actually, like this: hello, my Telegram account was hacked and I will really appreciate it if you help me recover it. And you need to give them this information: the last login time that you have logged in to your Telegram account, your old email account that was connected to your Telegram, your old phone number, and your new email account that you want them to transfer your account to, and also a new phone number. After that, you can give them your full legal name from here, and your contact email account, and your contact phone number. After that, you can send this support ticket, and you need to wait for them to respond to you. So this is actually the best method to recover your Telegram account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.